Stephanie here. Thank you for signing up to come to the open house October 23rd. And I just want to show you that you are indeed in the right location. I'm going to share screen, and don't take my word for it. Take a look at what our students are saying on the Google review. So let me share the screen here and flip to that for you. So when you go to Google and just type Healthcare-Edu, up here, you'll see all about us. And what you'll do here is go to Google reviews, and you could see view all of our Google reviews here, and you could see what people are saying and writing. Don't miss out. I am a nurse educator by trade. I can prepare you and get you to pass the CNA exam, and not for nothing, my students are passing on the first try. Okay, so this is the step, and this is the place that you have been looking for. Check out the reviews for yourself. Then the next video we have is a video testimonial. I can't wait to see you on October 23rd, 2 to 5 p.m. Come in, ask your questions, enroll, and start class on Monday, October 24th. Get your online access. All right, take care.